Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from French meaning free spirit. How do you say it? For reference, in France, in French it is said as esprit, esprit. The T is silent indeed. This means spirit. Libre, libre meaning free. Esprit libre is how you say it in France, but it's fine in English to say it as Esprit Libre. Esprit Libre, if you cannot pronounce the French R. Otherwise, Esprit Libre is how it is said in French, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names and words from French whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.